what's up there, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm doing my best I can to keep these videos pumping. I don't want to fall into the cracks like I did before, where I just stopped doing YouTube and all that stuff. But with all this COVID-19 or coronavirus or the flu or whatever is going on, it's shutting all the businesses down. I have fell victim to that, and I have lost my job. So my boss told me to go file for unemployment, and I said no, I'll go see about finding another job. Well, that turned pretty ugly pretty fast. So a lot of the businesses here in Idaho are completely shut down. Only essential businesses are open, like gas stations and grocery stores and whatnot. So we are strictly at a stay-at-home call of order, I guess. You can only go out and stay 6 to 10 feet away from everybody, and I mean, it's just it's stupid. But granted, don't go out and get sick, and don't be going out and touching people and all that crap, whatever. But anyways, I got another Karl's bait and tackle to unbox. I bought this one probably a couple days after I bought the other one, just to keep the videos pumping out, and the shipping was a little later than anticipated because of all this stuff, and that's okay. So anyways, enough of all that negativity. Let's try to stay positive, and let's see what's in the box. So first up, we got the Googan Squad Klutch. This is the Ghost Gill, and it is 2.5 inches in length, and it's a 1/2 ounce. You guys can see that color? I can't wait to try it. I mean, it looks pretty good. And it's also made by Ketchco, so we'll give that a whirl. And we got some more jigs. These are all the little juicy jigs. They're the finesse jigs. I love jig fishing. It's like one of my favorite things to do. It's basically my confidence baits. I got one in Bluegill, Okeechobee Craw, and Rotten Pumpkin. So that one's the Rotten Pumpkin. This is the Okeechobee Craw. And if you guys want to see these, just go on the website. And that's the Bluegill. And guys, I'll have all this bait listed in the description below, and that way it's easier for you guys to find. But if you guys haven't already, go check out shopkarls.com. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get your first mystery tackle box for, what is it, $5? Or you can also sign up for your first month free and get 30% off anything that's in their store. And I believe there's some other codes out there where you can actually get 10% off of that also. So it's pretty sweet. My 30 days is up, but guess what? I paid the, $50 for, or $49 for the rest of the year. So, I mean, it's awesome. So, anyways, next up we got some VMC heavy duty flippin hooks. These are 3/0. I got 3 packs. I plan on doing a lot of flipping this year. The next we got some heavy metal tungsten flipping weights, and these are 1/4 ounce. So I also do a lot of trout fishing here in the state of Idaho. We don't have a lot of big fishing lakes. We have one really good bass fishing lake, and it's only open for boats for like April 15th to like October or something like that, and it's crowded like all the time. And you know, I fish out of a fishing kayak, and it gets really grown over. I mean, it's fun to really flip in those high weeds and stuff where the big bass boats can't get into. But so anyways, I do a lot of trout fishing also. I go up to the mountain lakes and stuff where they have, you know, lake trout and stuff. So I picked up a couple Blue Fox inline spinner baits. These are 1/4 ounce. Yeah, these are 1/4 ounce with number 2 blades. It's kind of like my go-to. I have had really good luck with the Blue Fox. So next up we got so this was kind of an impulse buy. I watched tons of videos on YouTube and stuff like that during the winter months, because you know, during the winter you can't really fish up here because all the lakes are frozen over, and I don't feel like freezing and going ice fishing. So what I do is I just stock up on my spring, summer, and fall bass fishing stuff. But anyway, this was an impulse buy. All the videos I've seen, people catching everything, you know, bass, crappie, trout, anything. And these are the 10,000 fish death stalkers. So when I say impulse buy, I mean it was an impulse buy, because I bought one of every color. This one is the clown. It's like white with a yellow back, some pink on the top of the head. Anyway, there's that one. I got the gold tiger. I got, this is a classic, and these are all in 1/2 ounce. I didn't see any that were any smaller or any bigger, so I think that's just kind of like the only ones you get. This one is the Aqua Flash. And this one is a redhead. I would say it's just basically a bleeding gill fish is what I would call it. Some peg stoppers for flipping. We got large and medium. I bought quite a few of them because every time I tried to find them, they were out. And here at my local Cabela's, they were like $2.99 a pack, and I'm just like, nah, wait. So anyways, guys, that's it for the box. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the little bell notification for when I upload another video. I'm trying to work on the quality of the videos. I'm trying to get out and go do some fishing and bringing you guys along. I almost have my kayak all done. I'm installing the Garmin Striker 4 fish finder as we speak. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I plan on doing a giveaway when we reach 500 subscribers. I'm doing this just for fun. None of this is sponsored. I pay for all of this with my own hard-earned money. And the giveaway I'm going to do, it'll probably be, you know, some baits like this, maybe a fishing reel, you know, something fun. But if there's something in a giveaway you guys would really like to see, post a comment below and let's go from there. Let's have fun on this channel. Thanks for watching.